Hello everyone. Today we will study about chemical properties of nitric acid. So let's start with stability of nitric acid. Pure nitric acid is unstable to heat and light. It means nitric acid when heated decomposes to form nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen. Okay, decomposition reaction of nitric acid products, try to remember which gas is formed, nitrogen dioxide, which is reddish brown in color, water and oxygen. Okay, then in the presence of sunlight it decomposes even at room temperature without heating. Again same product will be formed, nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen. And this nitrogen dioxide which is formed dissolve in the acid and impart it a yellow color, a yellowish brown color. Because of this only nitric acid which is kept in ordinary glass bottle in the lab turns yellow or yellowish brown. Okay. This observation especially remember why it turns yellow kept for a long time in ordinary glass bottle, because of decomposition of nitric acid in the presence of sunlight. And to avoid the decomposition of nitric acid in the presence of sunlight, where it should be stored? It should be stored in colored bottle. So these reasoning question also you try to learn. Then second property, that is acidic property. Nitric acid is a monobasic acid as it contain one replaceable hydrogen. Okay, HNO3 it contain one replaceable hydrogen, or you can say when it dissolve in water it will form one hydronium ion per molecule of acid. So that is why it is monobasic acid. And nitric acid almost completely ionized in aqueous solution, producing large concentration of hydronium ion. That is why it is very strong acid, and it will show all typical acidic reaction. Those reaction we are not going to discuss. Already I have explained in chemical properties of acid that you can see, but only one reaction we will discuss again here, which typical reaction is not shown by nitric acid, not even dilute nitric acid. Normally nitric acid will not release hydrogen when react with active metal. This reaction you don't write for nitric acid. Why it will not release hydrogen gas when it react with active metal? Because it is very strong oxidizing agent. It will oxidize hydrogen to water. Okay, but here also one or two exceptional cases are there that you remember. Magnesium and manganese can react with very dilute nitric acid. What is the strength of nitric acid? 1% only. Then they will release hydrogen. Magnesium and manganese, only two, when react with very dilute nitric acid, that is 1% of its strength, which gas will be released? Hydrogen. Otherwise nitric acid when react with metal it will not release hydrogen, because it will oxidize hydrogen to water due to its strong which power? Oxidizing power. Okay, so this is clear. So next we will discuss which property? Oxidizing nature of nitric acid. This is very important, and that only we will study. Other things we have already discussed, like aqua regia also we have already studied. So here we will study in detail about oxidizing nature. Why nitric acid is powerful oxidizing agent? First, this is the question. Because it decomposes easily to give nascent oxygen. See the two reactions, very important reactions here. Nitric acid if concentrated, it will decompose to give water, nitrogen dioxide and nascent oxygen. If it is dilute, then it will give water, which gas? Nitric oxide and nascent oxygen. And this nascent oxygen is highly reactive and it can oxidize non-metal, metal, inorganic and organic compounds. So this is the reason why nitric acid is very strong oxidizing agent. One thing more here, you see, nitric acid itself undergoes reduction in different ways. Okay, so just see what reduction products are formed. If concentrated nitric acid, then normally which gas is formed? Nitrogen dioxide. If dilute nitric acid, then it will form which gas? Nitric oxide. If ammonium nitrate suppose heated, it will decompose to give nitrous oxide. If ammonium nitrite, then it will give nitrogen. So these four gases also you should remember. Concentrated will give nitrogen dioxide, dilute acid will give nitric oxide, and this nitrous oxide will be given by the decomposition of which compound? Ammonium nitrate. And nitrogen, which compound will give? Ammonium nitrite. Okay, so these also try to remember. Now we will see action of concentrated nitric acid on non-metals. Okay, non-metals react with concentrated acid only. This also try to remember here. So here it oxidizes because it is very strong oxidizing agent. So it will oxidize non-metal to their corresponding oxy acid, like sulfur to sulfuric acid, phosphorus to phosphoric acid, carbon you write not carbonic acid, you do not write, it will decompose. So, what you will write? Carbon dioxide, water and nitrogen dioxide. Sulfur, what you will write? Sulfuric acid, water and nitrogen dioxide. Same way phosphorus react with concentrated nitric acid, what it will form? Phosphoric acid, water and nitrogen dioxide. So, what is common? Nitrogen dioxide. When concentrated nitric acid react whether with metal or non-metal, which gas will be released? Nitrogen dioxide. So, this reaction also very important. Normally alternate years with this reaction is asked. Sulfur can be directly oxidized to sulfuric acid by using which acid? Concentrated nitric acid. Reaction also just remember. Okay. So, this is clear to all of you. Next, what we will action on metals we will discuss. Okay. Metal can react with dilute as well as dilute acid as well as with concentrated acid, and you will see almost all metals except noble metal can react with nitric acid, even copper also you can see. So, just see when metals react with dilute nitric acid, what will be the product? First learn the word equation. Metal except which metal? Gold and platinum. Almost all metal can react. When copper, any other metal react with dilute nitric acid, oxidized product will be metallic nitrate. Okay, metallic nitrate will be formed. Water, and which gas will be formed when diluted? Nitric oxide will be formed. This point only you have to remember. Other things you can write salt, water and nitric oxide. If copper react with concentrated nitric acid, then other product will remain same. What will be the difference? In place of nitric oxide, which gas will be released? Nitrogen dioxide gas will be released. Okay, so this point is clear to all of you. Here no confusion, I hope.